What's up guys, welcome to my channel Leash Update. On this channel I drop videos on how you can earn money with just your phone and your internet connection. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw from a bot called Wabot. If this is your first time coming across my video, do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop amazing videos like this, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Do well to share these videos to your friends that might be looking for side hustles to earn online. So let's dive into today's video. About this bot, I created a video on how you can earn money with this bot just with your WhatsApp for free. I'll be leaving the link of the video in the description box below. Do well to watch it. Now let me show you how you can withdraw. As you can see here, I have only one WhatsApp connected to this my account, and over here as you can see, let me refresh it, I have made about 4,600 naira just with one WhatsApp. Now let's go into the main reason for this video. Click on withdraw. I haven't added my bank account, so let's add our bank account. Click on go to bind. Select your country, bank name, enter bank account number, your name. So now you click on next. My bank account has been added successfully. Now go back. Now as you can see, my account balance is just 4,600. So the money I will be able to withdraw now is only this 4,400. So let's withdraw that 4,400. Click on submit. You follow their Telegram. Click on join. Now go back to your Chrome. Already followed the keyboard. So my money has been withdrawn. As you can see guys, it's not even up to 2 minutes. I've received an alert. This is my alert coming from the bot. So guys, take this update really serious. This update is really paying. Connect multiple WhatsApp, start earning free money. I believe this video was helpful to you. All you can do for me right now is hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop amazing and wonderful videos like this, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe for more updates.